Hello, everyone. This is Dr. Wen. Here is the question. It looks challenging. Can you find the answer for this one? First of all, let's look at the pattern. The first item, this is 1 here. In front, that's the number 1 bigger than 1. So that's 2. So here is 1 here. The next number, that's 2. Just swap the order. Look at here. 2, 1, that's 1, 2. Here, that's 3, 2, 2, 3. So second term, here you have 2 here. Then you have 3 here. Then swap the order. The third one, you have 3 here. You have 4 here. Then 4, 3, 3, 4. So the last term, that's 99. You have 100, 99, 99, 100. That's the pattern. So just to look at the nth term, we can write down in this way. Nth term, for example, the third term, that's 3 here. N equals 3. What's the number in front of 3? 3 plus 1 is 4. Right? N equals 3 here should be 3. 3 here. What's inside of the square root sign? That's 3 plus 1, that's 4. This is the general term, nth term. So we can simplify this first. How to simplify this? The general idea is to get rid of the square root sign from the denominator. How? Time its conjugate. The conjugate is minus here instead of plus. Both numerator and denominator time the same conjugate of the original denominator. So here you can see that's A plus B, A minus B. We can use the formula equals A squared minus B squared. So that's A squared minus B squared. Simplify the denominator. Distributed power 2 to the first term, that's n plus 1 squared. And square root of n to the power 2 cancel each other. Square root and the 2, you have n here. The minus to 2 put here, that's n squared. And square root and the 2 here cancel each other. You have n plus 1. So here, look at here again, the denominator. What is the common factor? You have n plus 1 here. You have n plus 1 here. You have n here, n here. So n times n plus 1 is the common factor. Factor it out from the denominator. So here, what's remaining inside? The first term, you have n plus 1 because you have square here, 1 more here. And here you have n squared. You have take 1 n out, you have 1 more n inside, that's minus, minus. So let's use the pen. So here, n cancel each other, right? So you only have, this is 1 here, denominator out here. So denominator, you want to have this here. Okay. Now, look at here. This one you have both here. You can split into 2 parts. Okay. So here, now we continue to simplify. So this cancel each other. Right? This cancel each other. So square root of n divided by n, what is that? Actually, n is what? Square root of n squared. So you cancel 1, you still have 1 here. Right? You still have 1 here. And this one, square root of x plus 1. Its square is here. Then you have 1 more here. Okay. This is the result. So this is the result, the general result for the general nth term, right? So here, we can use the result. Let me clean it up. So here, what we have here, general term, okay, equals this one. So now look at here, this is the first term. That means here's n equals 1. For the first term, n equals 1, here should be 1 over square root of n minus 1 over square root of n plus 1 should be 2. So here, that's the first term. 1 over square root of 1 minus 1 over square root of 2. What's the second term? Second term, here's 2. 1 over square root of 2, 1 over square root of 2. Next one is 1 more, 1 over square root of 3. The third term here is 3. Here should be 3. And here should be 4. The last term here is 99. 99. So here should be 100 here. We can continue to simplify. Now look at here. Here's positive, 1 over square root of 2. Here's negative, 1 over square root of 2. Cancel each other, right? So here, that's positive 1, here negative 1, right? Here's positive 1, here's negative 1. Then cancel this one, right? So only thing left is what? This one is 1, and this one is negative 1 over 100 is what? Square root of 100 is 10. So this equals 1 minus 1 over square root of 100 equals 1 minus 1 over 10, which is 9 over 10. This is the final answer. Thanks for watching and see you next time.